Hi, I'm Mark Stuyt, Chief Engagement Officer with Neural Impact. Now, Neural Impact is a professional services firm that works with technology companies, software companies and services companies, to help optimize the acquisition of net new customers. Right? And we do that through deep understanding, decades of industry experience, along with a deep understanding of neuroscience, persuasion psychology. Now, we went to market looking for someone to help us with video. We deeply understand how important video is in terms of driving emotional engagement. But we had a really difficult time finding an organization to work with that could keep up with the pace at which we needed to produce these videos, that could keep up with sort of the quality of the video that we're looking for, but also brought to the table kind of some really new, interesting ideas in terms of how we can make them more effective. Right? And we found that when we started to work with Jordy. Now, if you think about the work that Jordy has done with us, certainly he's helped in terms of the video production. Right? He helped us build a studio. Everything that you see around you is a byproduct of the work that he's done. But maybe the most important thing is he has taught us how to do this ourselves. Right? He's got a deliberate methodology for helping clients understand how to produce high quality videos in a relatively inexpensive and fast pace. Right? Now, as a result of the work that we've done with Jordy and his organization, we've had significant impacts in terms of increases in online engagement. People are spending more time on our website consuming our content. The other thing that's happened is the lead conversion. Because we use video to convert people into the next step, people are raising their hand more often and stepping into real business conversations about how we can help them. But the most important benefit that we've experienced really has to do with our close ratios. You know, we have put so much time and energy into creating high quality video content online that by the time prospects consume that, they come in, they know what we do, they know why we do it, they know how we do it, and maybe most importantly, because everyone that you find in our videos online are the real people in the company that they're going to work with on an ongoing basis, they feel like they've developed a bit of a relationship with us. They trust us. Right? So Jordy has had a material impact on our organization's ability to grow and scale. We believe so highly in the quality of his work that we have actually now packaged up elements of it, and he's now working with some of our global clients as well. So if you're looking for an organization to help you leverage video to drive your business forward, I'd highly encourage you to reach out to Jordy, learn a little bit more about the packaged offers that he has put together. Most video production companies are focused on simply capturing what it is that a client needs to say and polishing it up. Jordy is maniacally focused on teaching people how to do what he does every day at a fraction of the cost, without giving up any of the quality. I'd reach out to him soon.